Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a CC recipient in JotForm Sign. This is incredibly useful when you need someone to receive a copy of your document without requiring them to sign it, such as keeping stakeholders informed or maintaining records with your team. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign in using your login credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. This brings you to your main dashboard where you can manage all your forms and documents. Now, in the upper left corner of the page, you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on this, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Signed Documents. This section houses all the documents you've created or need to send for signatures, making it your central hub for document management. Next, browse through your list of documents and locate the specific one you want to send. Once you've found it, click the Edit button next to that document. This opens up the document editor where you can make adjustments before sending it out to your recipients. After the document editor loads, look at the top navigation and click on the Send tab. This is where you'll configure who receives the document and how it gets distributed. In the Recipients section that appears, you'll need to enter the names and email addresses of everyone who needs to sign the document. Make sure these details are accurate to avoid any delivery issues. Once you've added all your signers, it's time to include your CC recipient. Switch over to the Options tab, which you'll find right next to the Recipients tab at the top. This tab contains additional settings for your document distribution. In the Options section, look for a field labeled Add CC Recipient. Click into this field and type in the email address of the person who should receive a copy of the document. This person won't be required to sign anything, they'll simply receive a copy for their records or review. After you've entered the CC recipient's email, navigate back to the Recipients tab to review all your settings one final time. Double-check that all signer information and your CC recipient details are correct. Finally, when everything looks good, click the Send to Sign button. Your document will be sent to all signers and your CC recipient will automatically receive a copy as well. And that's it. You've successfully added a CC recipient to your JotForm signed document, ensuring everyone who needs to stay informed receives the appropriate copy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.